Whew. Looking good.
La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la la la.
Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island. I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. So you guys are probably over here on this video because you watched the last crayfish video, or crawfish as they call it in the US. So I'm about to work on a curried crawfish right now. Again, crawfish for me, it doesn't really fill your stomach. It's just, you know, a little delicacy. Tastes really good to do. But yeah, that's the video I'm going to be working on right now. Basic seasonings, scallion, thyme, onion, ginger, whatever you want to put in your seasoning. But generally I find if you want to make good curry, make sure you have a good and rich curry. And also use a bit of turmeric, you know, as many Indian spices as you can to make it Indian. Some persons have educated me and told me that curry originated from Asia or whatever, so that's a whole long story. We're gonna get into the preparation of things. The fire is already going, and let's enjoy this video. And I hope you guys try this at home, or you know, share some recipe ideas with me, and maybe I could try it and help to improve my culinary skills. See you in the next shot. Does anybody remember when they were a kid and they saw fire for the first time and they're like, oh, beautiful, ah. I was the only one? Now I feel left out. Alright, like usual, add some coconut oil. Coconut oil is so expensive here. Like this bottle is like 1,200 about. So I'm not about to waste any of this. Too many coconuts gave their lives for this oil, man. Alright, so a little oil to start everything off. Of course, if you guys saw the last video, you guys remember I had some seasoning cut up, which is anything that you like in your season per se, but thyme, you know, onions, scallion, ginger, pepper, pimento, stuff like that. Anything that you like. So put a little curry in here. Again, there's always that controversy of, you're not stirring the curry. But, you know, I think it's 50-50. Some people say don't have to burn it. Some people say you have to burn it. It doesn't matter. Burn it, don't burn it, who cares? So that's curry and some cumin. And cinnamon stick. Spin, 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 quick, quick, quick. Alright, so now that's in. I'm gonna add a little bit, well, you know what, add all of this. Or most. Spin. And some butter. Yep. That smells good. And for now, I'm gonna add a little bit of water, not too much. Just a bit of water for now. I don't want the seasonings to burn, and then I'm gonna add the crawfish. All right, that's simmering nicely. Nice look to it. Time to add the crawfish. Right. Gradually building. So good. Wow. As you realize, it's not that red as yet, so still need some more time under the heat. Alright, thankfully the fire is getting hotter under there, so we should start seeing some bubbling. Yep. Yep. Everybody turning red. It's a good sign. You can smell the ginger. You can smell the cinnamon. Alright, so what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to add two things. I'm going to add some coconut milk. Coconut milk on that to give it some rich flavor, and also to kind of thicken up the sauce a bit. Not too much because this crawfish is not like chicken you're gonna pour over rice, but yeah. And I'm gonna add some super cup. Yeah, this is from Maggi, so Maggi super cup. So I didn't quite put any, any salt in there really, just a little bit before previously. So the super top is kind of salty. Curry also sometimes is a bit salty as well. So there already you can see that the sauce is getting nice and thick. But I still need the crawfish to boil out some more, so I'm just going to add some water to it. Yeah, getting that nice little color. Oh damn, this smells good. Yeah, so I'm going to add some water to it and let it simmer properly. Alright, so add the water to it now. Yes. Tasted it just now, it tastes pretty good. So whenever it simmers down, of course the flavors are going to build because it's going to reduce, so all the flavors are going to become more intensified. That's why sometimes when you taste the water, if it's not that salty, don't worry about it. When it reduces, the saltiness is going to increase. So less water, more salt. Make sense? Makes sense. It always looks really, how can I say, overcast here. Wow. Them outdoor stove more right after I blow them, you know. So you turn up your stove out there, so you get the stove going. You guys know me, I love my garlic and my pepper and my thyme, and I love the herbs them, so I go slightly burst that and throw that in the pot so it can simmer down with everything, right? The next 5 minutes or so, when it boils down some more, it should be done. Looking good. Alright, so the soon done cook down. Give it a little bit more time. So if you look on it, I kind of want it a little bit watered. I don't want it too thick, so just a little bit more. Yo guys, this tastes so good, like the sauce already. Yo, the worst part about today, I mean, apart from cooking up this wonderful dish, is that I have some business to do back in the city, which, boy, you know, being out here, you know, spending a day out here is really relaxing. Like, I mean, yeah, it's a bit tiresome having to do a lot of stuff, but you know, the more I do it, the better I get at it. And I just like the drive going back home after I take a night to shower on the river, and just going back home, just editing the videos is just such a blessing. You know, but then to drive into traffic now to do this delivery, yeah. People always ask me, like, you know, how do you manage to do this lifestyle? Of course, I am more so a full-time YouTuber, plus, you know, doing a small-time business, you know, doing clothing, and that person's buy ever so often. So that's just life. Even though you want to live free and, you know, do this kind of cool stuff, you still have to be a part of the real world, realistically. Alright, I think this is about done. Yeah, it's done. Don't need this to get any thicker than it really is. If it was like chicken, I could make it good on some more to have a nice gravy. Alright, baby. Oh, wow, look at that. So good. Yes, it's time to feast. Alright, time to feast, and today it looks really good. Curry is nice good gravy. So this is going to be hard because it's so hot. Just came off the fire. Start with this little tiny one here. Whew. Whew. Oh yeah. Greedy people things, this, you know. Wow. While I'm at it, I'm gonna check out some for Judah. Try get some of the gravy onto it later. So hot. Like I was saying before, when you're eating these, make sure you take out that part before you eat it. A little bit of that sauce. Oh yeah. Wow. Mocha people always say, what they always say? Give Mocha some food. When people don't know say ramp, you want ramp really. You just want to play. You just want to play. Use a mocha. Mocha is you can't see no ribs on mocha. Mocha is always well fed. You had your lunch before you came, huh? Hmm? You had your lunch before you came. Yes, you did. You had your lunch. Alright guys, so that was another great meal. Again, crawfish does not fill my stomach. If it fills your stomach or you're like me, you need a lot more of it, drop it in the comments and let me know. But before I close off this video, I'm going to take you guys for a very short swim. I never took you guys for a swim around here before. I normally take a shower around here all the time before I head back home, just to get rid of all that smoke off my body and all that stuff. So anyway guys, I'm going to end the video here. Remember these 3 things: love, nature, adaptation. Always remember, keep the link. I'm about to swim. Yo, this water is cold, bruv. Can I do it in one go? 3, 2, oh wait. Give me some time. Whew. Alright. Alright. I think I'm ready. Wait. Alright, jeez. Gosh, that is cold. That is cold. But always refreshing, man. You coming? Come on. No? Oh boy. Come on, jump, 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 Mama. Jump, Mama. Come, okay, come. Come, Mama. Come on, come on, come on, jump. Come on, jump. Come, come. Come. Yeah. It's okay. Okay. She's still swimming. Go. So I get to know. Like the video review. How is it?
This is good, Stephen.
Wow, that's awesome. It's Judah's mom for those who have been missing out.
Nothing anybody.
Are you eating crime scene?
I tell you, it's that good.
Nice.